Hi, I'm Tim Laba, and recently I was out on my family's property and I found these two logs that were just laying in the woods. And seeing them cut like this and that size kind of gave me an idea for an art project. So let's try something out today, shall we? So I just got done with the coasters video. I really liked this project. I had a lot of fun doing it. It's awesome. You can take something right out of the woods and use it for something like this. I prefer to do art that is more along the lines of usefulness rather than just something that hangs on the wall. I like to have pieces that actually have a use, like tabletops and coasters and things like that. I really like those kind of things. Now, you're probably wondering why I used polyacrylic on all of the birch wood and polyurethane on all the oak. And I've actually found pieces that have that same fungal pattern or rot pattern, whatever it is that was on the birch, in a different wood. The polyurethane tends to make the wood, give this wood this like rich color, rich look to it, and I just love how it turns out. However, when you use the polyurethane on the birch, it just makes it so dark. And so the polyacrylic, it still makes it dark and gray like that, but it's not as bad. If I were to use the polyurethane, it would have been way worse. So that's why I used polyacrylic for one, for the birch, and polyurethane for the other. But anyways, I had a lot of fun with this project. I want to keep doing more things like this. Let me know what you thought down in the comments below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next adventure. Bye.